AI girlfriends are replacing women? Welcome, tech enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Today, we're diving headfirst into a realm where technology dances with the human heart and digital personalities challenge the boundaries of our emotional landscape. We're peeling back the layers on a topic that's captivated minds and stirred debates across the digital landscape. Are AI girlfriends replacing women? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will leave you questioning the very essence of connection and companionship in our modern world. So, are we on the cusp of a revolution in how we love, connect, and find companionship? Or is this just another chapter in the ever-evolving tale of human interaction? Stick around because, by the end of this journey, you'll have more questions than answers. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of our digital hearts as we embark on this electrifying exploration together. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the future of connections. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the debate, let's talk about the phenomenon of AI companions. The rise of AI companions represents a fascinating intersection of technology and human emotion. In recent years, we've witnessed remarkable advancements in artificial intelligence, giving rise to virtual companions that offer companionship, support, and even romantic interaction. These AI entities are available around the clock, provide non-judgmental listening, and cater to individual preferences. While they offer convenience and solace to those seeking emotional connections, they also raise questions about the future of human relationships. As we explore AI companions' capabilities, we'll delve into their impact on our society, ethics, and the fundamental nature of human connection. Move on to the appeal of AI companions. Why are people drawn to AI companions? Well, one significant factor is the convenience they offer. The appeal of AI companions rests in their special combination of practicality and personalization. These virtual beings are accessible round the clock and provide constant companionship and support without the difficulties that are frequently present in interpersonal interactions. Because AI companions are non-judgmental, people can freely express their thoughts and feelings with them. Additionally, they adjust to personal preferences, customizing interactions to meet user needs, whether they be for conversation, entertainment, or even emotional support. AI companions present an appealing alternative for individuals looking for comfort, comprehension, and convenience in a fast-paced environment, even while they raise concerns about the quality and authenticity of human relationships. Next, the reality of AI girlfriends. AI girlfriends are a complex and developing phenomenon in reality. For individuals who choose to employ them, these AI companions can provide companionship, emotional support, and even romantic involvement by simulating human relationships. It's vital to understand that these relationships are fundamentally different from human interactions, even though some people have found consolation and comfort in the company of AI girlfriends. Real human relationships offer a depth, complexity, and sincere emotional exchange that AI girlfriends do not. AI girlfriends are frequently used by people to overcome loneliness, boost confidence, or just to experiment with technological possibilities. These motives may be both individual and personal to every person. Let's debunk the myth that AI girlfriends are replacing real women. AI girlfriends fall far short of replicating the complexity and depth of genuine human relationships. Emotional depth. AI may simulate emotions, but it lacks the depth and authenticity of human emotions. Real relationships involve shared experiences, empathy, and genuine connections that AI can't replicate. Physical presence. AI can't provide physical touch, intimacy, or the warmth of a real person's presence. Human touch is a fundamental aspect of romantic relationships. Complexity of human relationships. Human relationships are multifaceted, with ups and downs, conflicts, and resolutions. AI relationships are simplistic in comparison. Now, let's explore how AI is impacting modern dating and relationships. Dating apps. AI algorithms are used in dating apps to match people based on their preferences. While this can enhance the dating process, it doesn't replace genuine connections. Virtual dates. Some people use AI avatars for virtual dates, especially in long-distance relationships. This can be a fun addition but doesn't replace the need for real interactions. Like any technological innovation, AI girlfriends have advantages and disadvantages. Let's dissect them. The advantages are AI girlfriends can offer emotional support, companionship, a listening ear, and even the ability to simulate empathy and understanding. For those who struggle with loneliness, worry, or tension, this can be helpful. Non-judgmental, they support emotional health and self-expression by providing a non-judgmental environment in which users can express themselves without worrying about criticism or rejection. Accessibility, AI companions are always on hand, offering continual company and a sense of security, especially for people who do not have human relationships to rely on for such support. Customization, users can customize their AI girlfriends to suit their preferences, creating an ideal companion tailored to their needs and interests, fostering a sense of control and comfort. And there are some drawbacks. Lack of genuine emotion, AI companions are incapable of providing the same level of emotional connection as humans since they lack genuine emotions and consciousness. The interactions are always one-sided. Over-reliance on AI friends may result in social disengagement, which impedes the growth of real-world social skills and could make people feel more alone. Privacy concerns, data collected by AI companions raises privacy concerns because it might possibly be used to keep and misuse personal information and interactions, which could result in data security or privacy breaches. Ethical dilemmas, there are moral dilemmas including the objectification and exploitation of the technology, as well as consent and boundary difficulties in interactions using AI, which can present difficult moral questions. One crucial aspect of this debate is whether AI companions can truly replace the emotional connections we have with real people. Can technology ever replicate the depth of human relationships? Emotional connections between humans are deep and multifaceted, shaped by empathy, shared experiences, and mutual understanding. While AI companions can simulate emotional responses and provide companionship, they often fall short of replicating the complexity of genuine human connections. True emotional connections involve the ability to empathize, support, and adapt to a partner's changing emotional states. They rely on a shared history, trust, and a sense of vulnerability. AI companions, although advanced, lack the intrinsic emotional intelligence and genuine empathy that make human connections so profound. What does the future hold for AI companions and relationships? Advancements, as AI technology continues to advance, we can expect more sophisticated companions with improved conversational abilities. Ethical guidelines, society may need to establish ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI companions. AI companions of the future may possess deeper emotional intelligence, allowing them to understand and respond to our feelings more effectively. They could play significant roles in mental health support, helping individuals cope with stress, anxiety, and loneliness. Societal acceptance and the acceptance of AI companions in society will likely evolve, with discussions surrounding their impact on social dynamics, mental health, and the nature of human relationships. Technological advances, as AI technology evolves, we may see AI companions incorporated into physical robots, creating more tangible and immersive companionship experiences. So, in conclusion, AI girlfriends are not replacing real women. While AI companions have their place in our lives and can provide support and entertainment, they can't replicate the depth and authenticity of real human relationships. It's essential to use technology responsibly and maintain a healthy balance between our digital and offline lives. Thank you all for joining us today on our channel. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. As always, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, take care, and remember, love is a beautiful thing that can't be replaced by algorithms or artificial intelligence.